As one of the booming concepts of cybersecurity, threat hunting has been increasingly popular. But what exactly does it refer to? Hi, it's Antonia from Heimdal, and today we are starting a new series of videos focusing on threat hunting. Cyber threat hunting is a proactive approach for detecting abnormal activity in an organization's network, endpoints, and datasets that could be caused by known or unknown, addressed or unattended cyber threats. It involves discovering malware such as viruses, Trojans, adware, spyware, ransomware, worms, and botnets that might lurk unnoticed in a network. The objective is for security experts, referred to as threat hunters, to detect these threats before they compromise systems and data. Threat hunting reaches beyond conventional detection methods like security information and event management and endpoint detection and response by delving deep to find threats in your environment that have bypassed your initial endpoint security systems. Now, let's take a look at the cyber threat hunting process. Cyber threat hunting is a multi-stage process that takes place in a cyclic manner. Since the hunt itself is proactive, the hunter doesn't really know what exactly to look for. The process starts with the hypothesis and the trigger, followed by data collection. The next step is data analysis. The final step is remediation and response to remove the threat from the system. But let's talk in detail about these stages. Hypothesis. A threat hunt starts with developing a hypothesis or a statement outlining the hunter's ideas or educated guesses about what threats might exist in an environment and how to identify them. A hypothesis can include tactics, techniques, and procedures used by a suspected malicious actor. Threat hunters develop a logical path to detection using threat intelligence, environmental knowledge, and their own experience and creativity. Trigger. When an alert is triggered, the threat hunters use it as a guide to detecting patterns and similarities between events. Advanced threat detection technologies enable threat hunters to detect triggered alerts and start the threat investigation process. A threat hunter's hypothesis can also act as a trigger. Data collection. Threat hunting requires detailed information that enables more focused and efficient analysis. If the gathered data is of high quality, then the organization is able to further develop hypotheses and search historically for incidents. Data analysis. This stage can be one of the most challenging ones since security experts are dealing with a large amount of data. During the analysis stage, the threat hunters dive deep into possible malicious compromise of a system using technologies like EDR, endpoint detection and response. The investigation doesn't stop until the actions are determined to be benign or a detailed picture of the malicious activity is created. Remediation and response. The information collected from confirmed malicious behavior can be fed into automated security software to respond to, address, and mitigate threats. Among the actions that can be taken are deleting malware files, restoring modified or removed files to their original state, deploying security patches, or changing settings, all while better understanding what happened and how to strengthen your defenses against similar future incidents. Lessons learned. The main goal of this stage should be to improve the security process by taking every element into account. Humans are fallible creatures by nature, therefore the human factor is a significant threat and can be a huge vulnerability. The practical value of threat hunting is that it enables a company's IT team to proactively monitor and scan the environment in order to detect cyber attacks and threat vectors that have slipped past conventional security measures. Organizations everywhere should be aware of the fact that investing in threat hunting is a smart move, and it is vital in order to make sure they are safe from the ever-changing cybercrime landscape. Thank you for watching. I invite you to subscribe to Heimdal's YouTube channel to get notified when we publish the next video regarding threat hunting. Also, if you enjoyed this week's video, make sure you like it and share it with anyone that might be interested in this topic. See you next week.